page down. Insert plus page down key will read out the status bar. Note: when you open a PowerPoint presentation, the focus is there in the slide area by default. Pressing the command F6 will take the focus through the panes of the work area, status bar and the ribbons in a presentation. While using F6 function key, listen to JAWS as it announces the name of the element which is in focus. Note: JAWS users can check the number of focused slide and number of slides available in the presentation by pressing the command, insert plus page down key. Note: insert plus tab key will announce the title of the selected slide in a presentation. The content of a slide will be presented in an element called placeholders. Placeholders are the elements of a slide. We can find different placeholders such as center title placeholder, subtitle placeholder, object placeholder, etc. in the slides depending on the slide layout. The placeholders keep changing depending on the slide layout used and content to be presented. Based on the user's requirements, different types of placeholders can be used. Placeholders are the elements of a slide. We can find different placeholders such as center title placeholder, subtitle placeholder, object placeholder, etc. in the slides depending on the slide layout. The placeholders keep changing depending on the slide layout used and content to be presented. Pressing Tab moves the focus between the placeholders of the same slide. Note: page down key moves the focus to next slide and page up key helps us to move to previous slide in normal view. PowerPoint navigation. You can use the Tab key to move the focus to the placeholders. You can use Tab plus Shift Tab keys to navigate through the placeholders of the slide. While using Tab key and Shift plus Tab key, JAWS also announces the type of the placeholder along with the contents of placeholder. It is recommended for a visually impaired user to press Escape key before pressing any navigation key. This is because the placeholder, on which the focus is there, may move when any navigation key is pressed. And if the placeholders move, there are chances of placeholders overlapping each other. There are different slide layouts that are available to present content. The slide layouts will be decided based on type of content. Placeholders. Asterisk placeholder is rectangular in shape and looks like an edit box. Asterisk the text of a slide can be found in different placeholders of a slide, and the placeholder allows the user to perform the following editing actions like select, copy, move and edit or delete text, insert pictures and graphics, etc. Asterisk by using Tab and Shift Tab keys we can navigate through the placeholders in a slide. When the focus is on a particular placeholder, if we press F2 key, we can edit the text in the placeholder. Asterisk when you press F2 key, text will be in selection mode by default, and by using navigation keys you can unselect the text. Asterisk insert plus up arrow will read out the current line in a placeholder. Asterisk when you press F2 by keeping the focus on the placeholder will be in edit mode where you can use common navigational keys to navigate through the text. Asterisk F2 key will allow you to enter work area, and escape will help you come out of the placeholder work area. Asterisk Control plus Home key will help you move your focus to the beginning of the placeholder. Up and down arrow keys help you to navigate line by line inside the placeholder. Editing in PowerPoint. Asterisk PowerPoint also contains the same blinking cursor which helps user edit text in placeholders. Asterisk the cursor behavior in Notepad documents, Excel and PowerPoint are same. We can use the same key commands for editing text in presentations. Types of slide layout. Note: there are two ways to access slide layouts in a presentation, which are as follows. Method 1. Step 1. From the Home tab, select Layout submenu drop-down grid. Step 2. Press spacebar on Layout submenu drop-down grid. Step 3. A list box opens which contains different slide layouts in a presentation. Step 4. Use Tab key to select and navigate through different slide layouts in a presentation. Method 2. Step 1. Move your focus to Thumbnail tab using F6 function key. Step 2. Press Application key to open context menu and select an open layout submenu. Step 3. A list box opens with different types of slide placeholders. Step 4. Use Tab key to select and navigate through the different slide layouts available in a presentation. In both methods you will get the same list box with different types of slide layouts. The slide layouts are arranged in the form of rows and columns in a list box. You can use arrow keys to navigate through the different slide layouts in a list box. It is recommended that you use Tab key to select type of slide, left and right arrow keys to navigate through rows, up and down arrow keys to navigate through columns,